Hello, once again, this is Brother Teacher. Many of us, and most of us, have been told ever since we were children, very young, about the benefits of consuming orange juice because it helps to fight off colds, the flu, and various other maladies that we might be faced with in life, and primarily because of the vitamin C that was contained therein. But did you not know there actually is no scientific evidence that this is true? So, why have we been told this? Could it possibly be because during those years, this just sounded good for industries that produced orange juice and similar products to market that product and make money? So, what is vitamin C? Vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin that is not made by the human body and it is not stored by the human body as well. We must have vitamin C every single day of our lives. Now, vitamin C is responsible for good skin health, good artery health, connective tissue health, and also for a plethora of other health benefits, to include and not diminished as an antioxidant, helping to stave off and to kill free radicals. Part of that as well. So now, why is it again that oranges and orange juice is touted as being this powerhouse for vitamin C? I say it again, marketing. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, I've said this before as well in time past. We have to start doing our own research and diligent research concerning the things that we have picked up as habits we've been doing for decades just because someone else says so. So, what are some other sources of vitamin C that are much greater than that of an orange? Lemons are a great source of vitamin C. As a matter of fact, limes contain more vitamin C than lemons, but they're both good sources of vitamin C, much better than oranges. Some other good sources or great sources of vitamin C are strawberries, broccoli, sweet potatoes, your chili peppers containing capsaicin, of course, your hot chili peppers, your reds and your greens, to include your cayenne pepper. Also your Brussels sprouts, if I didn't already mention that, and your broccoli, if I didn't already mention that. And let's not forget red cherries. Those are all good sources of vitamin C, great sources as a matter of fact. And not to mention a papaya. A papaya has substantially way more vitamin C than any orange. So write those on your thumb and think of some alternatives to just simply having oranges as your main source of vitamin C. So when you want to stave off that so-called common cold and that potential flu season thing going on, you might want to consider all of your colorful fruits and your berries and your dark green vegetables as well, and not just simply stick to your oranges and your orange juice as being the vitamin C supplier alone. So I hope that this was of benefit to you. Be careful when you see this guy right here in the supermarket. It's colorful. We're used to it. We've been conditioned to purchase this all of our lives. For a health standpoint, it does have many other benefits, many other ingredients naturally that are good for the body. So that doesn't mean don't eat oranges and don't drink orange juice. That's pure orange juice, that is, because it does have other medicinal benefits. But don't believe that it is the primary source and that it is the strongest source of your vitamin C needs. That was it. And that was all. His brother teacher. Do your own research. All right.